Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to see the chemistry and different synthetic methods for furan. First we'll see the chemistry of furan. In furan, oxygen is present as an heteroatom. Okay, so furan is a simple 5-member heterocyclic ring containing oxygen as an heteroatom. Furans are volatile, fairly stable compounds with pleasant odors. And furan itself is slightly soluble in water. It is readily available and its commercial importance is mainly due to its role as a precursor of the very widely used solvent, that is tetrahydrofuran. So this is very important use of this furan, that it's used as a precursor for synthesis of solvent which is widely used, that is tetrahydrofuran. Then furan is obtained by the action of acid on vegetable wastage, mainly from the manufacture of pottage, oats and cornflakes. So furfural was first made in this way as far back as 1831 and its name is derived from furfur, which is the Latin word for bran. Okay, in due course, in 1817, the word furan was coined from the same root. Then furan 2-carbaldehyde was obtained by the oxidation of sucrose using manganese dioxide and sulfuric acid. So this is a synthetic part. Then furan was first isolated in 1817 from pine wood and also obtained by heating barium salt of furan 2-carboxylic acid. Now we are going to see the numbering of furan. Furan is numbered as shown below. So if we are going to give the numbers, the furan is numbered first position at oxygen, then second, third, fourth and fifth position. If we are going to give numbering with alpha and beta, then second position is alpha, then fifth position is alpha dash, and third position is beta, and fourth position is beta dash. So this is a very important point, how to give the numbering for the structure of furan. Then furan exists into two partially reduced forms, which are systematically named as 2,3-dihydrofuran and 2,5-dihydrofuran. However, delta can be used to indicate the position of double bonds. The saturated or completely reduced form is named as 2,3,4,5 tetrahydrofuran. So this one is 2,3-dihydrofuran because of presence of extra hydrogen at second and third position. Then this one is 2,5-dihydrofuran. So here it is delta 3-dihydrofuran. Then this one is 2,3,4,5 tetrahydrofuran. The presence of extra hydrogen at second, third, fourth and fifth position. Now furan has planar pentagonal structure in which 4 carbon atoms and oxygen atom are in sp2 hybridized orbital overlap with each other and with s carbon, carbon oxygen and carbon hydrogen bonds. So these are different bonds which are present in one lone pair of electron in sp2 hybridized orbital while other is in pi orbital. Electron and pi orbital of oxygen atom with lone pair are parallel to each other and are perpendicular to the plane of ring. The latter overlapping of pi orbital produces pi molecular orbital containing 6 pi electrons. So this one is the molecular orbital structure of furan. So this one is lone pair in p orbital and this one is second lone pair in sp2 orbital. So while writing the molecular orbital structure of furan, this point, the bonding in furan is similar to that in pyrrole, but the difference is that the hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen in pyrrole is replaced by sp2 orbital of oxygen containing lone pair of electrons. Furan is planar conjugated heterocyclic system, delocalized pi orbital, 6 pi orbital electrons, and has following molecular dimension. So these are a molecular dimension, that is structural parameter of furan, and its bond lengths and bond between O and C2 it is 1.362. So these are all bond lengths and these are bond angles. Now we are going to see the synthetic methods for furan. So these are very important, that is synthesis using carbohydrates and Paul-Knorr synthesis. So initially we are going to see the synthesis for carbohydrates. So commercial method from aldopentoses or ketopentoses. So these are commercial methods from aldopentoses and ketopentoses. So acid catalyzed consecutive dehydration of aldoses or ketoses results in the formation of alpha ketoaldehyde by 1,2-indiol. The resulting alpha ketoaldehyde undergo acid catalyzed cyclization. So first you will get the alpha ketoaldehyde, then it gives furfural, which on steam distillation at 400 degrees Celsius in the presence of oxide catalyst gives the corresponding furan. So first you will get alpha ketoaldehyde, then you will get furfural, and in final step on steam distillation at 400 degrees Celsius you will get the corresponding furan. So this is a mechanism. So this structure is aldoses or ketosis. So in first step there is removal of one water molecule. So this OH and this hydrogen is removed in the form of water molecule. Due to the removal of this water molecule, there is a double bond formation in between these two carbon atoms. And further, there is an internal rearrangement in between these two carbon atoms. Okay, so this hydrogen shifts from oxygen to carbon. That's why double bond position changes. So new double bond forms in between carbon and oxygen. Okay, then this is an internal rearrangement, just shifting of hydrogen. Then in further step there is a removal of one water molecule. Due to the removal of the water molecule, it forms double bond in between these two carbon atoms. So this OH and H removes out. Okay, so new double bond form in between these two carbon atoms. Then further there is a cyclization reaction. Then after the cyclization reaction, there is one more water molecule removed out. Due to the release of this one more water molecule, it gives furfural. This OH removes out. Okay, so it gives furfural. And further distillation, it gives substituted furan. So this is an overall mechanism for synthesis from carbohydrates, that is aldoses or ketosis. Then furfural and thence furan by vapor phase decarbonylation. Decarbonylation are available in bulk and represents the starting point for many furan synthesis. The aldehyde is manufactured from xylose, obtained in terms from pentogens, which are polysaccharides extracted from many plants. Example, corn cobs and rice husk. So these are the pentogens which are used as a starting compound, and it gives xylose. Okay, so these are forms of carbohydrate. Then further it follows the same procedure which we have seen in the mechanism for synthesis of furan from carbohydrates, and then it gives furfural, and this furfural on further distillation gives respective furan. Then this is a more controlled process can be obtained by using milder catalysts such as indium chloride when enantiomer furan alcohols can be obtained. So this one is indium chloride, which is used as a catalyst, which gives furan alcohols from D. So in this case, it is D-glucal, which gives furan alcohols. But the main condition is this reagent, which is indium chloride. Now we are going to see the Paul-Knorr synthesis. This Paul-Knorr synthesis is also known as a ring synthesis from 1,4-dicarbonyl. The compound is 1,4-dicarbonyl. With acid to form furan. This reaction is known as the ring synthesis reaction as well as Paul-Knorr synthesis. So in this case, 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. Okay, so at 1 and 4 position, at first and fourth position, there is present. This carbonyl group is present. That's why it is 1,4-dicarbonyl compound, which can be dehydrated with acids. So this is a dehydration reaction in presence of acid, which gives furan. And mechanism of Paul-Knorr synthesis. The most widely used cyclizing dehydration of 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. All of the carbon atoms and the oxygen necessary for the nucleus. Usually non-aqueous acidic conditions are employed to encourage the loss of water. So acidic condition is very important to encourage the loss of water. So whenever there is a loss of water, it gives furan molecule from carbohydrate from 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. The process involves addition of the enol oxygen of the one carbonyl group to the other carbonyl group, then elimination of water molecule. 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. So there is a subsequent reactions, that is addition of hydrogen, then one more removal of hydrogen atom. So this act, in first step this hydrogen attacks at this oxygen, then there is a subsequent removal of hydrogen, then there is a cyclization reaction, then attack of hydrogen, then in final step there is a removal of one water molecule and it gives substituted furan. So this is a very important synthesis, that is Paul-Knorr synthesis, and this is a mechanism for synthesis of Paul-Knorr synthesis.